The Alligator solid wall anchor is the most advanced masonry anchor in the world. It outholds chemical anchors, but is non-toxic and weather-resistant, sets instantly, and requires no special tools for installation. Drill a hole the same diameter as the anchor. Push the anchor into the hole and tap it flush. Place the item over the anchor, insert the screw, and tighten it flush with the item. The anchor actually expands up to twice its length, bonding the screw to the wall. The alligator anchor works even when you hit a hollow cavity in the concrete or brick.